You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words. If you want to learn more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got loads here. Many are confusing, and we got all the correct pronunciations in English. So let's break them down. You're going to have British English pronunciation and American English pronunciations. They are slightly different. So first, the name of the molecule itself is acetaminophen. 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 Now in the US, the American pronunciation is usually as acetaminophen. Fairly similar, but the T is pronounced more like a D. It's a flap T. Acetaminophen. Acetaminophen, or British English again, acetaminophen. You got this? Alright, let's move on to the brand name. Tylenol. Tylenol. So it's not Tylenol or Tylenol. Stress on the first syllable. Tylenol. Tylenol. Acetaminophen. Tylenol. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.